Your SEO agency, automated forever.
Stop doing SEO manually. Automate everything gear. What if I told you your entire SEO team could fit inside one AI workflow, writing, optimizing, and publishing blogs on WordPress while you sleep? And here's the crazy part. These are real results from websites that are already running on this automation system. Look closely. This site organic traffic went up in just 30 days. Average session time increased, bounce rate dropped, and the content started ranking for long-tail keywords within a week of publishing. Something that usually takes months. Another client site, which had 0 new articles for 3 months, is now automatically publishing 2 fresh, optimized posts every single day, covering trending keywords pulled directly from their Google Sheet. The best part? Every blog has optimized meta descriptions, image alt text, and schema-ready structure, all done by the workflow, no human input required. And it's not just one site, all managed under one N8N automation setup. No writers, no editors, no freelancers, just pure automation, writing, optimizing, publishing, and ranking content 24/7, while the agency owner focuses on growth. This isn't a concept, it's running live right now. Writes blogs of any length in any language automatically, fully SEO optimized, and ready to publish 24/7. Adds titles, meta tags, keywords, and categories. Publishes directly to WordPress. Sends you alerts if anything fails. Works with unlimited clients and websites. 100% free. No subscriptions, no limits. It's literally a set and forget SEO delivery system for agencies. Here's the post that was automatically generated. You can see the title is perfectly structured with a target keyword in it. The meta description, auto-written and optimized for click-through rate. Tags and categories, automatically added and matched to the topic pulled from Google Sheets. And check this out. Even the images are automatically added. Each one has proper alt text SEO keywords and file names generated by the system. No copy-paste, no uploading. It's all done by the workflow. This is exactly how a full-time SEO employee would optimize every post. But here, it's being done 24/7 by automation. And it doesn't stop at one. It keeps going. Topic after topic. Blog after blog. Pulling from your sheet, writing, optimizing, and publishing nonstop. Imagine having a system that never takes breaks, never misses deadlines, and always stays consistent. That's what Content Writer 24x7 was built for, a lifetime SEO automation engine that actually performs like a human team, only faster. So this is the exact blog my system just wrote automatically. I haven't edited a single word. Now let's drop it into an AI detection tool and see what happens. Look at that, 99% human content detected. That means the system generate real human expert, SEO blogs. And there it is, 100% plagiarism free. Every single line written from scratch. Let me quickly show you how powerful this system really is. This isn't just another AI writer. This is a complete SEO employee that works 24/7, never takes breaks, and never makes mistakes. My workflow, built in N8N, connects everything, from Google Sheets to WordPress. It picks a topic, creates a full 1,800+ word blog post, adds keywords, meta tags, featured images, categories, all automatically. And simple words. This tool completely replaces the role of a human SEO expert. You don't need writers, uploaders, or editors. You just set it up once, and it keeps working for life. Using this one system, you can manage dozens or even hundreds of clients at the same time, publishing high-quality, optimized content nonstop. No salary, no delay, no limit. It just keeps running like your own SEO department on autopilot. That's why I call it Content Writer 24x7, because it literally works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, building your SEO empire while you sleep. So now you've seen it. A system that writes, optimizes, and publishes SEO blogs automatically, working 24/7 without breaks or mistakes. It's like having your own expert, minus the salary. With just one setup, no coding, and zero effort, You can manage unlimited clients, grow traffic, and scale your business on autopilot. Visit ContentWriter24x7.com or check the link below. I'll personally help you set it up. Stop doing SEO manually. Automate. Scale. Earn. 24/7.